Hi, I'm Tragan, North Trail RV Collision Center. Here to talk to you today about the services we offer. We offer a full fabrication department capable of making compartment doors or any other parts that we may need for jobs. We have 3 63-foot paint booths stocked with all major paint lines. We are capable of working on any Airstream damage. We have certified Airstream technicians on staff, as well as certified fiberglass technicians capable of fixing the smallest scratch to making molds for parts that are no longer available. We also offer a sprayed-on platinum roof that is guaranteed as long as you own that coach not to leak. We work with all insurance companies. Top priority here is customer service, quality workmanship, and fast turnaround times to get you back on the road again. All body repairs at the Collision Center do have a lifetime guarantee.